In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo gallery slider to Wix website. We'll start right inside Wix and move from adding a gallery to publishing it live, so you can showcase your images in a clean scrolling slideshow. First, go to wix.com and log in. From your dashboard, open My Sites, choose the site you want to work on, and click Edit Site. That opens the Wix editor, which is where all the design magic happens. Give the editor a moment to load and make sure you're on the page where you want your slider to appear. To add the gallery element, look to the left side toolbar and click Add Elements, the button with a plus icon. Select Gallery to see Wix's built-in gallery options. For a slider effect, pick one of the slider-friendly styles such as Pro Gallery, Slideshow Gallery, or Slider Gallery. Once you've chosen a style, drag it onto your page and drop it where you want it to live. Now let's load in your photos. Click the gallery you just added and choose Manage Media. Hit Upload Media to bring in images from your computer or your site's media library. You can add multiple images at once, and you can reorder them by dragging. For a polished look, try to use images with consistent dimensions or orientation, and add clear titles or alt text to support accessibility and SEO. With your images in place, convert the gallery to a slider layout. Open Settings or Layout on the gallery's toolbar and select the slider or slideshow layout. Here you can choose how slides transition, set it to move horizontally, or use a subtle fade effect. This instantly turns your gallery into a smooth scrolling slideshow. Next, tailor the design to match your brand. Adjust image spacing to control the breathing room between slides. Tweak the transition speed to set the pacing and decide whether to show navigation arrows or dots. You can enable autoplay if you want the slides to move on their own and add captions for context or credits. Preview as you tweak, so the motion and style feel just right. Positioning comes next. Click and drag the gallery's corners to resize it and move it to the exact spot on your page. Align it with your headings and other content for balance. It's also a good idea to check the mobile view later to make sure everything scales nicely on smaller screens. When you're happy with how it looks, click Publish. Your photo gallery slider is now live on your Wix website, and visitors can smoothly scroll through your images. Enjoy showcasing your work!